online conference by pediatric endocrinologist and obesity expert, Dr. Robert, describes it as a wake-up call for everyone. With so many of our processed foods, I'm out of breath, knowing how many toxins supermarkets and the junk food industries are feeding us. Many babies are now being formula-fed by mothers who have refused to breastfeed, for one reason or another. You will be surprised to know that a single food intake contains as much sugar as soda. This video will show you not only the dangers, but also the methods of the liver's response to high sugar intakes. 1. Fat around organs and heart disease. 2. Increase the blood levels of uric acid that cause gout and high blood pressure. 3. Increased risk of fatty liver disease that can cause cancer. 4. Creates insulin resistance that leads to obesity and type 2 diabetes. 5. Insulin resistance can also cause cancer. 6. Sugar is addictive. Who can stop eating after a piece of chocolate or a lollipop? Although the fructose in fruit is not so harmful, many can greatly affect the liver. They also contain fibers that compensate for the damage in one way or another. What many of us do not realize, that alcohol is also sugar. It has the same components, and can lead to the production of aldehyde, which causes cirrhosis, or hardening of the liver cells, preventing them from functioning properly. Care is always better than cure. Sometimes we ignore few things, which may not look serious at present, but can cause many problems in the future. Start taking care of yourself and your loved ones today, to prevent anything bad from happening in the future.